Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is a joyous day for me. I just reached 100 subscribers. Yes, 100 subscribers. And I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and showing your support. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And thanks to TubeBuddy for keeping track of my milestone, although this video is not sponsored by them. I started this journey back in January of 2021, and now 9 months later, I have reached 100 subscribers. For many of you, you might say 9 months, that's too long, right? Well, yes, it is too long because YouTube is not my full-time job. I do have a full-time job that requires my 100% attention. Therefore, I record videos on weekends and sometimes on evenings. So this is it. This is the result of that. But I want to thank you for clicking that subscribe button and showing your support again. I really appreciate it. I thank God for you every day. And for those that have watched my videos and have not subscribed, then please consider subscribing. Thank you very much. I celebrate this with you, and I'll see you in the next video.